Hello and welcome. As any cyclist knows, taking the tyre off the rim is not an easy job. It's not a nice job and it's not something we enjoy. And the way to do it hasn't really changed for years. We still use tyre levers, and you know it's just not a very pleasant job. But there's a company out there that has a solution, and that is Tyre Glider. And I've used this before a couple of times. I used it years ago when the first one came out, and then they improved it. They made the gap where it goes onto the rim, they made that a little bit bigger so it fit more rims. And now they've improved it again, and this is the new improved one. And this one here, the gap is even bigger now, so it'll fit better on more rims. And the surface that actually connects it to the rim itself is smooth. They've made it smoother, so it doesn't cause any damage or anything like that to the rim. And this is all from feedback. The guy who invented the Tyre Glider, Kevin, really nice guy. He looks at feedback from people, looks at any comments, any feedback, and then tries to improve it all the time. So if he sees any comments about things like he did with this, about the smooth surface and the gap being bigger, he then goes back and thinks, well, how can I improve it? How can I change it? And this one is the latest one, this one here. So we're going to try it out on the bike. I mean, to be honest with you, I never found any problems with the old version. This is more for, like I say, carbon rims where they've improved it. But I'm still going to go back out on the bike and try it again and use it. And to be honest with you, I've used it loads. I've used it absolutely loads. I've used it on my mountain bike, I've used it on my road bike. I used it recently when I had a blowout on the road bike. I had a nasty blowout and I'd use this to get the tyre off. So it's a really handy little thing to have in your saddlebag of your bike. So let's head out to the bike now and the bike wheel. I'll take the bike wheel off my bike and we'll try it and show you exactly how it works. It's very easy to use, very easy to take your tyre off with this. And it's much better than tyre layers, I tell you, much better. So let's head out the bike now and give it a go, shall we? Okay, so we're out of the shed. We're now going to try this on the bike, but just to make you aware as well, there is a left and a right-handed version of these as well. And if you look on the back, it actually says right-handed on that one, which is good. So obviously if you're left-handed, you've got an option as well. So to start off, you need to put the Tyre Glider in to get the tyre out like that, to give you that space. So it might take a little bit of force, obviously, you get it going to start with, and then after that, you should be able to just glide around, taking your tyre off. As you can see, very easily. Very easy. If it comes out, just put it back in again and just spin it around. There you go, very easily. So this actual tube is fine. It hasn't got a puncture on this one. I just let it down to show you. So I'm not going to take the tube out to replace it. I'm just going to put the tyre straight back on again. So on the new version, this gap here is now 7mm wide, and it's got a smooth surface to go against the rim. So it basically doesn't damage your rim if you've got a carbon fibre rim, which doesn't really apply to me because there's no carbon fibre. But if you do, that'll obviously stop you damaging your rim. So to get your tyre back on again, put that into the groove there. Hopefully you can see all right there. I'll just turn around so you can see. So you can see just slotting in the groove there, and then push it around the rim, and that should just glide back on like that. Hence the name, Tyre Glider. And when you get to the end, obviously you will have to do a little bit of force just to finish it off. So you see there. We can say that okay, and on. That's it. So easy. So that's it. All on. Very easy. That's extremely easy to use. So as you can see, it works absolutely flawlessly, just like it did before. And I never had any doubts, to be honest with you, because the last ones I tried were really good. So like I say, it's just improved it a bit, made the gap a bit wider to fit wider rims, and made it smooth along in the back here so it doesn't damage carbon fibre rims. So I'll put the link in the description if you want to go buy yourself one. They're good, they're worth having. Definitely, I've got one at the moment all the time in my saddlebags, and a few of my bikes actually, both my bikes I've got them in, because they're just brilliant, just so easy to use. So as always, thank you very much for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all later. See you later, bye bye.